guys, it's Juliet back with another YouTube video, and right now I have to keep it a little bit quiet because I am about to pull a prank on my mom, or I'm like preparing for the prank. That's what I'm doing. I haven't done one of these videos in like a long time, and like I've only done one of these videos on my channel, but I freaking love doing pranks, so I think I'm gonna start like a series on doing pranks. So the prank is going to be, I'm going to write on one of these cardboards with my Sharpies. I'm gonna say like honk for good luck, or honk if you've had a good day. And so I dropped my Sharpie. So y'all have probably seen these videos already on like YouTube already, because there have been several videos and I've just been watching quite a few. I watched the Dobry twins one and I thought that was so freaking funny, and so I wanted to try it, but like on my mom. And so she has work tonight, and it takes like an hour, maybe a little bit more, to get to work, and then like an hour back, and we're supposed to be going on like the main road and stuff. So hopefully it freaking works. I'm going to tape a piece of poster that says like honk for good luck on the back of our car, and I hope that so many people freaking honk. I hope it works, guys, but just stay tuned. Yeah, fingers crossed that it works. My sister said to do good luck, like honk for good luck, so I'm going to be doing that one. I think this is straight. So sorry I haven't been posting recently. There's just not been like a lot of things for content. Last week was my 17th birthday and I was gonna post a vlog, and I still might post a vlog of it, but the thing was, the footage that I got was just like, it was a good amount of footage, but like between like the lighting and my vlogging camera, for whatever reason, it like, I don't know how to explain it. It was very blurry and not like crisp and stuff, and so I didn't end up posting it. I might post it in the future if I ever need content like that, but I seriously doubt seriously doubt it. I'm really kind of mad because this doesn't look the greatest, and I'm like such a perfectionist when it comes to like tracing things and writing things and stuff, and this looks terrible. Like, why? Okay guys, I have you like in my car, under my car right now, but okay, we made the sign honk for good luck, and I gotta put tape on it, and I got to make sure it stays. I gotta hurry up because we're like literally about to leave. My mom is getting dressed real fast and then we're gonna go. Oh, I'm really nervous. You know, I should probably check the mail.
Fine, bro. Yeah, we got Jeslyn back there, we got Jacob behind me, Mom, and me. I love that song.
Well, I'm in Gulf Breeze right. Oh, so I don't know either. I was trying to check the radar. Well, I could see the rain too. I'm like, what the hell? So I'm like driving, and me and my daughter like checking the weather.
It's raining, and I don't know if I can catch the lightning, but there's like really bad lightning. So we don't know what exactly is gonna happen. It's upsetting because, you know, I wanted Mom to go to work so bad, and I wanted her to get on that grind. Her hair is so nice and fair. She takes good care of that hair though. Work it, Jess.
Yeah.
she's a bless.
Who are those
I don't know.
Hey girl! Woo! Guys, someone just honked.
I don't know. They literally waved to us and we're like, hey girl.
We're going out. Wait, are we? Wait, Mom, are we really? Mom!
What? No way.
Jasmine!
What are you doing, Mom?
Do they think we're stuck? Because we're definitely not stuck.
Oh, guys, we got another honk. That's so weird. So we're at my mom's photo session right now, so I gotta take a pause on the challenge. But guys, this is literally what it's like in Florida, like every day. Like the sky, like the sunsets are so freaking pretty. Like, look at this. Okay, so on one side we got a freaking blue and purple. Look at that. Look how dark it is. And then it starts turning colors, and then on the other side we got like yellow and orange. It's crazy how Florida changes. Hey Jacob, from one side it could be something totally different from the other. So yeah, guys, just thought I'd share that with y'all.
Favorite gemstones? You are sure to find a new piece from David Yurman that will express your personal
Driving
style.
with Juliet.
Oh my god, that one.
So it got ruined because we had to stop at the bank real fast, and I pulled in and she went to the trunk, and I didn't know she was going to the trunk because I thought like her money was in her purse, which was I thought was up here, but I guess her purse and her wallet was in her camera bag, which was back in the trunk. So she went around and she was like looking so confused. She said, just like reading it, and she was like, what? And I was like, it was a prank. We only got like 3 honks. And she was like, like that makes sense now and stuff. And I was
Juliet.
like, literally,
Juliet, let's try and
that
get
does
one.
make sense. We got another honk.
Yeah, I got
The guy behind us.
No, you didn't.
So how was it, Mom?
I had good luck.
Hi guys.
Actually,
Y'all can't see me, but like and subscribe if you wanna. You don't have to, but I highly suggest that you do.
do it, or else you'll find out where you live.
Yeah, right.
I know where you live.
Yeah, guys. Let's get to 100 subscribers.